Next stop, Sister's Pond. Look at it. Looks like a lagoon. We're still at Elysian Park. Nice view, nice pictures. Now at Magnolia Garden, here at Elysian. Not a lot of flowers. It would be nice if all the flowers were blooming. Magnolia Garden. We are at the Mianue trunk line. We're in the clouds. We're in heaven, I think. Feels like we walked around Camp John Hay.